I'm actually about to do my hair for Love Island watch party tonight. Varia Hair, I'm not sure, I don't want to butcher it, but this is basically how the hair is packaged. I have not worked with this company before, but their selection of wigs on their site is amazing. Now they did send out the hair in this gorgeous box. I love a sleek little cute moment when it comes to packaging. I will give you guys the details on this unit in the video, but I do want to go ahead and unpack it. A true tinted lace, you guys. I don't know if y'all can tell, the tint on this lace is insane. Insane in a good way. And it looks like I went in with some lace tint mousse already and like literally tinted her up. So you're getting all of this lace to work with. I really can't stand when companies consider things 13x4 and then they start bringing in the construction of the wig into the lace. It does have 4 combs. One on each side, one at the top, one in the back, an elastic band back here, y'all. And then they have the drawstring right here as well. You literally just push this button and adjust it to the comfort to your liking. Beach waves in the hair, so it's like a little light wavy situation. So I'm gonna throw some more waves in the hair so you can really get into the waves and see if this hair holds heat and how it reacts to heat, because that's important as well. Okay, so before I start adjusting things, here is how the wig looks on my head. I wish they would have actually sent out the 200 density that I wanted, because in the video, I don't know I'm why starting to see that it is on the lighter side, and there's not a super prominent part in this wig. So if you love like a pre-parted wig, you will have to do it yourself and you will have to club. But it's time to lay this wig down. That's the most important part. To add some quick incisions to this lace. And I do like the fact that they kept the lace on the wig. I'm already skeptical about the density, right? So I'm like, if I take away any more hair, I do not want it to look like I don't have any hair left on this. If I'm gonna work with any hairspray, it has to be tacky first. So I like to spray it on something, let it sit, and let it get, okay? So I'm gonna go for it. I have my blow dryer plugged up, or do I?
Welcome to our closet exhibit. We will want to believe that the lined up for you. Robin will provide several hours of pleasurable relaxation.
I like to use my comb just to make sure that the lace is actually sitting in the spray. Alright you guys, I was going back and forth of how I wanted to style this hair. Free part, middle part, I wasn't really sure, but I pulled out the wax stick and this saved the day. Once I applied it, I did comb it through and then add a little bit of my spritz just to make sure that this is going to lock in and help make this lay flat as possible. Once I go in with the T3 curling iron, I make sure that it's tacky first. You guys don't want to do it while it's extremely wet, and then I pretty much get the appearance that I'm looking for. I pretty much opened up that part and that 13x4 was definitely shining through. So this is how it's looking so far. I feel like since I've flattened everything out, it does look a little fuller. The hair is not like all over the place. And use some bobby pins just to make sure that this is flat and I don't have any like lumpiness going on in the back. With the lace, add a little part in the or add a little concealer in the part just in case if I want to go with the middle part. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut and we're just going to open this up. Go ahead and remove the lace off camera. I just need a really close mirror and I don't want to butcher this lace. And now we're going to get into styling. I have a little bit of Pattern Beauty like shine spray that I like to put just mist right on the front of the hairline so it doesn't give chalky dusty, you know, it brings some life back into my forehead. I'm gonna be using my T3 curling iron today to do the curls, and we're just going to see how this turns out. I like when the hair just looks a little bit more tousled though, so I feel like this side needs a little help in that department. But all you have to do is just curl away from your face, you guys, just to get these curls and straighten the ends, and that is literally all you have to do.
Welcome to our Varia Hair. With a wonderfully entertainment lined up for you, Frontal will provide several hours of pleasurable relaxation and diversion for you and your friends. Did your favorite dress up for tonight's show? So far, no shirts.
Now, I did mention I was going to give you guys my overall thoughts about the wig when I came back. It was breathable, it was easy to wear, it was very lightweight. I was looking forward to trying out a 200 density, but this density was really cute. Well, the curls helped bring the wig to life, in my opinion, and I was really pleased with the color and just the quality of the hair overall. Let me know if you've ever tried a unit out from Varia Hair down in the comment section below, but I will link all of their information down below, so make sure you guys check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see my girls in the next one. Bye, y'all.